Hi, this is Jeff from Past Signs introducing our Car Coming Indoor Pedestrian Alert System. This is a great sign for warning pedestrians and other cars of dangers inside parking facilities. The system has a voice and flashing warning system, 3 sides for 300-degree viewing. It's wall mounted, and at 36 by 7 inches it can warn a large area. Let's see the sign in action. Here a vehicle is detected entering a blind spot. The sign activates with voice and flashing alert to warn the pedestrian and avoid a potential disaster. Let's watch it again.
Attention, vehicle exiting. Watch for vehicles. Attention, vehicle exiting.
What makes Past Signs the right choice? When you purchase a sign from other vendors, they sell you a sign. That's it. You have to pay someone to engineer the control system for it. With Pass, we provide a complete system ready to go out of the box. Pre-wired inside the sign enclosure is a full control board with all the timers, voice annunciator, and outputs. A power supply ready for the variety of voltages inside a parking garage, and a speaker with volume control and an optional timer board to shut off the voice at designated times. Some of the activation triggers are vehicle motion detectors, loop detectors, beam detectors, and parking garage equipment. Reduce your liability. The world is a distracted place, and our systems are designed for warning ADA and distracted pedestrians. Need a different application? Come visit all our signs at pastsigns.com.